So guys, now in this video we will be seeing collisions, this group collisions. So in this group we will see that when something that bird is being collided with some parts, then what will happen, because the main player here is bird and we are preventing the bird from collision in the Flappy Bird game. So let's see that. So when the bird is being collided, that is, bird is being overlapping in the first event, you can see that when bird is overlapping a titled background 2, that is the upwards. Yes, it is upwards. Let's see that in the game. Yes, it is upwards. Upward titled background, and second one is lower one. So when bird is overlapping means it is being colliding with title background 2, then system, what the main system part is working, it is going to the start layout. It means we are losing the game. So we are going to the start layout, or in the next event is that when bird is overlapping to the top pipe, that it means it is being collided with the top pipe. So it is going to the start layout, and in the next part, when the bird is being overlapping to the bottom pipe, that it means it is being collided with the bottom pipe, then it goes to the start layout. Here, start layout. So every time when our bird is being collided, we want our uh, layout to be as a start. So when bird is outside layout, then we want our system to work as go to the start. This. So let's run the game and let's see when play. Let's When we go outside the layout, then also we go to the start page, and when we collided with the first above uh, title background, then we get to the play to the start layout, and when we are collided with the top, uh, then we are also, and we are collided with the bottom, then we have to go to the start layout. So you can see how the collision occurs, and we are going to the same start layout. So in this way we have learned the collision part, and in the next section I will be talking of the scoring, how the scoring is being done. So that's all for this video.